A fourth-year student at Walter Sisulu University in Mthatha has designed a simplified physical sciences study guide. The idea is to make the subject easier for grade 12 pupils to understand. Buzwe Dlembula of Mount Frere will graduate with a Bachelor of Sciences next year. His ambition is to see matriculants across the country perform well in the subject. Ntsiki Nohiya caught up with Buzwe while visiting Zingisa Comprehensive High School outside Mthatha in the Eastern Cape.
22-year-old Buzwe Dlembula got his love for physical science when he was doing grade 12 in 2019 in Mount Frere. He then pursued a career in science at varsity. We accompanied him to the nearby Zingisa Comprehensive High School, where he was showcasing his expertise in teaching revised physical sciences.
I just designed the study guide because of the way I teach physics. I simplify it. I've got 4 years since I've been teaching physics. I've got thousands and thousands of students that I've taught because I've been traveling to certain schools and they pass. Some are doing medicine, some are doing courses like engineering. So this study guide has made everything simple to an extent that you cannot even need to be taught. You just teach yourself with this study guide because everything, it is outlined there.
Buzwe says there's a relationship between physical sciences and mathematics. So, the simplified version of his study guide will ensure that learners excel in mathematics as well.
The relation between mathematics and physics is that the physics part, it starts with the scenarios. You will have a scenario, maybe they're explaining, okay, the object has done this, or this and this is done on an object. Then you come to the formula part after the scenario. Then thereafter you apply numbers. So whenever you are doing any application of numbers, it's whereby you will start using the rules of mathematics. So that's what links mathematics with physics.
Zingisa is one of the best performing high schools in the OR Tambo Inland District. It has a state-of-the-art science laboratory and was built by parents without the assistance of the Eastern Cape Department of Education. The challenge now is the lack of equipment.
So about the laboratory part, just because we do not have a board to write on, so we had to think about what Frere was talking about. Okay, so what I learned on today's lesson is that physics can be much more simpler than what we always think it is like.
Zingisa matrics are excited about this new study guide.
It was made simpler today. I think considering the topic, Newton's laws, there was a lot I did not understand, but with the littlest and simplest way he explained it, and it made sense with even showing it in physical representation, so I really am grateful.
Buzwe hopes to print more copies with the assistance of the Provincial Department of Education. After today's lesson, Zingisa Comprehensive High School learners are optimistic that they will pass physical science with 100%. For Newzroom Afrika, Channel 405, I'm Ntsiki Nohiya in Mthatha.